Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be discussing about how to use TradingView with interactive brokers. So you can see we have different type of charts and different parameters going on TradingView, but we do need interactive brokers to step in so we can simply take the game to the next level. And how we can do that, simply head over to your brokers section and you can see we have multiple brokers available here. So if I head over to any of these, like for example if I click onto this particular chart, you can see it is now opened up, so I can see the full chart by clicking onto this option. And below we have multiple options. We have Pine Editor, Strategy Tester, Replay Trading, and Trading Panel. And this is from where you can easily get your interactive brokers, whether it is Aux, Binance, or any other that you want. So you can even click on this all brokers option to dive into more brokers and have a look. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will be getting $15 as a sign up bonus. So if you use the link in the description below, so make sure to give a try to that. Do not miss out. If you have any question, you can also feel free to ask me. And I hope this helps. See you guys in the next video.